Meet Henry. Henry just bought some new software to help run his cleaning operation, but he's having a hard time with employee pushback. He doesn't understand why his employees won't just use the new tools. He even told his staff that he's excited to track their work and make sure they're doing their jobs, but for some reason that only made them more frightened of the change. Henry's in a tough spot. Meet Nicole. Nicole has been using Janitorial Manager to run her cleaning operation, and her staff are excited to stay active on the included app JM Connect. Nicole knew exactly who she needed to get on board when she added Janitorial Manager. She knew she needed to work with her tech-challenged employees as well as her influencers. Here's how she approached each type. The technologically challenged are employees who resist change, especially new technology. You know a technophobic employee is one who doesn't want to learn the new tools and is routinely the last person to adopt the upgrades. The best way to help your tech-challenged employees is to spend some extra time with them and help them see the benefits of the change. Nicole knew exactly who to spend the time with in her team. When it was time to implement adding location-based time tracking and other game-changing features on JM Connect, she made sure to show the team how GPS-based clocking in and out makes sure there's an accurate record of your attendance, as well as proof that you were in the location that you worked. Also, the chat features prove with timestamps and photos if any surprises come up on the job, and you can easily show that a location was serviced before someone at the location let their kids draw all over the walls with permanent marker. Now let's talk about influencers. Influencers are the people that your staff listen to. Influencers have the power to make or break your workforce with their gift of gab. An influencer can drag everyone's ideas about change in the workplace down to a dark and scary place, but they also have the power to inspire and empower your staff. You just need to know the best way to help your influencers get excited about new technology in your operation. Nicole's influencer is Buzz, and Nicole has seen Buzz's influence on good days and on bad days. She decided to approach Buzz early on when beginning the process of implementing JM Connect. Some managers, like Henry, might just say, "Here's the new tool, learn it, everyone needs to use it by the end of the week." This kind of change encourages influencer pushback by telling them that they have no choice or input. Many influencers will see this as an opportunity to drag their feet, and other employees will follow their example. Nicole's path to adopting new technology was to make sure she kept her influencers informed of the processes and made sure she showed Buzz the new tool she was shopping around for and asked him to take a look at it with her so he could also see the benefits. Buzz felt like he was part of the decision-making process and was able to express ideas and felt listened to. Then, when it was time to move ahead and roll out the change, that influencer did some of the work for Nicole by excitedly helping show off the features to other employees. Buzz's excitement actually helped fuel the team's motivation to bring in the new tools for their job. Remember, you, the manager, owner, operators, are ultimately responsible for inspiring your employees to adopt new tech and processes. Approach your technically challenged employees and your influencers with the right care, and you'll see the changes take hold. You are already building your operation more professionally by using technology, and we want to continue to grow that success with you. If you're implementing Janitorial Manager in your operation, or considering it, we recommend checking out the videos in our Frontline Worker playlist to see some of the benefits you can share with your employees.